Tonight, we are continuing our coverage in the trial of 3 men accused in the death of Ahmaud Arbery. The defense is raising concern about family supporters inside the courtroom. WSAV's Brian Ray has been following the trial. He joins us now with how the judge is reacting.
Ben, good evening. Even though it's a federal holiday, court carried on as normal. The judge says that's because of the slow pace of the trial so far. Today, more civil rights activists joined the Arbery family in solidarity, but one defense attorney is taking issue with high-profile people sitting in the courtroom. On Thursday, we heard an hours-long deposition from the owner of a house under construction in the Satilla Shores neighborhood, where a neighbor testified they saw Arbery inside shortly before he was killed. Larry English says he called 911 on numerous occasions for intruders on his property. He said it wasn't uncommon for people to be there.
People in the neighborhood might ride down a golf cart on the weekend, get through and check out the progress. Sometimes you'd have a potential home builder.
Outside the courthouse, more civil rights activists joined the Arbery family. Pastor William Barber traveled from North Carolina to show his support for the family.
And America, the only way we're going to stop this is America, you're going to have to come to understand that this kind of terrorism and murder is not just dangerous to black people, It's dangerous to the entire country.
Just after the lunch break, defense attorney Kevin Gough, who's representing William Roddy Bryan, taking issue with Reverend Rev Sharpton sitting in the courtroom with Arbery's parents on Wednesday.
I believe that's intimidating, and it's an attempt to pressure, could be consciously or unconsciously, an attempt to pressure or influence the jury. Obviously, there's only so many pastors they can have. And if their pastor's Rev Sharpton right now, that's fine, but then that's it. We don't want any more black pastors coming in here.
Judge Timothy Walmsley says guests are allowed in the courtroom as long as they're not disruptive.
I'll tell you this, I'm not going to blanketly exclude members of the public from this courtroom.
Barber says the Arbery family and their supporters won't rest until justice comes.
America, this is another checkpoint for you. Get it right for this father. Get it right for this family.
Reverend Sharpton released a statement in response to Gough's comments. He said in part, quote, "I respect the defense attorney doing his job, but this is beyond defending your client. It is insulting the family of the victim," end quote. Court is set to resume with more testimony tomorrow at 9 in the morning. Brian Ray, WSAV News 3 on your side.
Brian, thank you. For complete coverage and a full timeline of events in this case, you can visit WSAV.com/Arbery.